Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm making a super delicious Asian spiral cucumber salad. Fresh, crunchy, and so easy to prepare. To make this beautiful Asian spiral cucumber salad, start by placing 2 chopsticks on your cutting board. Set a fresh cucumber right in the middle. The chopsticks act like a guide so your knife never cuts all the way through. Now, hold the cucumber firmly and slice it at a 45-degree angle from one end to the other. Take your time. These diagonal cuts are what give the cucumber that perfect spiral shape. Once you reach the end, flip the cucumber over. Now cut straight across from top to bottom. If you're doing this for the first time, just go slow. It's actually very easy to do. It looks hard, but trust me, once you try it, you'll see how easy it actually is. As soon as you lift it, you'll see the magic, a smooth, stretchy spiral that looks so satisfying. Sprinkle a little salt all over the cucumber and let it rest for about 15 minutes. This helps release extra water and makes the cucumber more crunchy. After 15 minutes, gently squeeze out the water and set it aside. Now let's make the dressing. On the spiral cucumbers, add salt, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1/3 teaspoon of chili powder, ½ teaspoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame seeds, and mix them together. And that's it! A refreshing, crunchy, aesthetic Asian spiral cucumber salad that looks beautiful and tastes even better. Perfect for summer, perfect for videos, and perfect for your table. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you in my next video.